January is the month to jumpstart your health and your wellness routines. And fortunately for us, Ray Solana with PD Labs is here to help us get back on track in the new year. Good morning to you.
Good morning. Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year to you. We love it when you're here because you always have great advice for us. But now in particular, we're in a new decade, a brand new year, which also means that this is a really good time to kind of get back on track with our health and nutrition. And you have a way that we can kind of jumpstart that.
That's right. That's what we're going to do today. But, realize this is still the last month of the Super Bowl of sugar, I call it. We got the Valentine's Day around the corner. We got Girl Scout cookies that are going to be all over the place.
They're imminent, yes.
So tell people stop right now and still get rid of the sugar out of their diets. Increase your green vegetables, those green things, and get rid of those processed foods. You can do that today, and that even means that fast food, pepperoni pizza, just leave that off the list for right now.
You've had plenty this year. I'm sure it's great, and I'm really interested in this. You've got kind of a kit that's going to help us really jumpstart this process.
Well, that's what we'd like to do. This is new products out there, and if you can't measure it, you really can't manage it.
It's a very good idea.
So that's just the reason why this kit that we have measures 6 key indicators that are directly related to your long-term health, also to prevent age-related diseases. So these 6 key indicators are very simple that you can do at home.
Okay.
And so it's a 10-minute simple kit that you can do that comes with its own tape measure. You can realize how much your waist.
I don't know if I want to do that right now, but that is good to know.
It's an indicator of your cardiovascular health.
Good point.
And a simple blood test, okay, that you can put on here, and it's sent off to an independent lab, a third-party lab that's nationally accredited, and just put it in a box. This box looks like this here. Very, very simple, and it's very inexpensive.
Okay, that's even better.
It's less than $50 for. So we think there's really no excuses.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. And you know what the best thing is? The results come back on a mobile device.
Oh, that's great.
And you know what? Even myself, I looked at my markers and I went, I have something to work on. So if you don't realize it, you don't what is out there. So this makes it really super easy. I like that mobile device app. It's
that's
really
great,
nice.
and I love how you said if you don't measure it, you can't manage it. Put that on a T-shirt. That is a really good saying. So once you have an idea, you've got some really great new products for the new year that we can all check out.
Well, that's what we want people to realize. You can take control of your health, and you have choices in your health. And one of the things that's really unique, we talked about it on the show before, this is a special product that is a patented transdermal glutathione. Okay, don't get upset with the words GSH. It's a force field. Okay,
nice.
Your body makes this in your liver, but it's your force field against invaders. You know that thing called cedar? We have that out there.
A little bit, yes.
But also other things that your pesticides and things like that. We found that this here is effective as an injection for many people. So you don't have to go through an IV. And in Hollywood now, this is a big popular.
This is all the rage.
It is, but it is something that you don't need a prescription for. And again, increased glutathione stops also for cedar as well.
I love that, like a force field. That's a great way to put that. Very cool. What else do you have?
And we also have, for sugar. Everybody's got a sugar addict, especially this time of year.
Right here.
We really like this ketone drink. It's something, get started first thing in the morning. You'd be surprised your addiction or your cravings for sugar go away. So that's something that's very nice.
So you take this in the morning and it kind of helps you throughout the day battle against those sugar cravings.
That's right. It gets those blood sugars stabilized for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
And then, of course, this is our formulation of HistoShield, we call it, that stops that histamine.
I think everybody's ears just perked up in Austin.
It's immediate, but also long term as well. 4 capsules twice a day. And of course, we got the cedar feeder drops. Again, you can start them now, and it'll get you through for this weekend because the levels are going to be pretty high.
Yes.
And also, of course, D3, K2. We like that because it gets your vitamin D levels up, and also gets your calcium, keeps your bones healthy, vitamin K2 and D3. So these are all very simple, and they're affordable, and we have them on our website as well.
That's perfect. And if people want to know a little bit more about this and the work that you do, because PD Labs is very special, it's not your average spot. Tell us why.
That's right. We're a specialty compounding pharmacy that's nationally licensed, and we have unique formulas, too, that our pharmacists develop with physicians. And we have items that are prescription and non-prescription, but our website is PDLabs PDLabsRx.com. You know what? We have free shipping on all these items.
Oh, that's great.
And for more health tips,
Yeah.
check out my podcast,
Yes.
Healthy Choices XM. It's listed on our website, PDLabsRx.com. You know what? Just give us a call.
Yeah.
We give you some free advice. That's what we're known for.
Yeah, exactly.
And good service.
And especially stop by if you have a chance to, because they're great people to meet as well. Ray, thank you so much for being here. Happy
you.
New Year. What a great array of products. You guys head to the website to check this out and get some relief and jumpstart your new year with health. We appreciate you being here.